Ready to unlock a smarter way to shop at Whole Foods? First things first, make sure you have the Amazon app downloaded and you're signed in with your Amazon Prime account. Open the Amazon app when you're inside Whole Foods. See that little camera icon at the bottom. That's your key, tap it. Now aim your phone's camera at the QR code scattered throughout the store. Usually near sale items, they're your shortcut to instant deals. So go on, scan away. Scanning will reveal any discounts or special offers exclusive to Amazon Prime members. Add them to your cart. As a Prime member, you automatically get access to exclusive deals and discounts. It's like having a secret sale just for you. Ready to check out? At the register, tell the cashier you're using Amazon Prime. Tap the Amazon code button found in the Amazon app while signed into your Amazon Prime account. Then show the QR code to the cashier to scan it. With the Amazon app, enjoy a seamless, contactless, and rewarding shopping experience at Whole Foods. Happy shopping!